We are a small charity trying to set up Workspace. I've been permanently suspended for a violation. I have no idea what the violation is. My coworker had issues setting up her account. It wouldn't accept her mobile number, so she used mine. She has her account set up, but I can't get unsuspended. Okay, well, I think we might have some hints to what the problem is. So nowadays, even though it is unfortunate, Google does ask you for a mobile number to set up an account. I don't know if they still mandate it, because I know there's been complaints for a couple of years about Google forcing people to use phone numbers for their account. It's not the best security practice to use a mobile phone number. There are better ways of securing your account, like passkeys, which are a new way of providing an extra layer of authentication using a mobile device and the camera, the biometrics, or the fingerprint sensor on it. But typically people will enter a mobile number. Now, if you've set up a new account and you've set up 2 users and you use the same mobile phone for both users, maybe you flagged something in Google's system, and that is a bit of an issue. Now, if you're a charity, hopefully you got access to the not-for-profit program with Google Workspace, which means you get a free account. And on that free account, you can do plenty. It's a fully functioning Workspace account. I don't know which plan it's equivalent to because I haven't logged into one myself in a long time. But you do get access to Workspace, and it's full-featured or mostly featured account, and you get access to that for free. Now, like all Google Workspace accounts, it's tied to your domain name, meaning that there's one Google Workspace account registered to a particular domain name, and that's it. Only one person can have an account with that domain name. You can't go and set up another Workspace account if you've already used this domain name. So if it's been suspended, you're probably going to have to try and get that one unsuspended, because you might not be able to go and register for a new account or sign up for a new account while this one is still active if your domain is currently attached to it. Now, how do you do that? Well, the only way to do that is to go through Google support. And sometimes it's a bit hard to get Google support if you've been locked out of your account, because you've got to go into your admin panel, generate a support token, and typically request support from there. They do have routes. If you go to the Google support site, you can get in touch with them. And if you're suspended, usually they'll still try and help you. But all they're going to do is they're going to give you access to the account recovery tools. If you've been suspended, well, they may not be very helpful, because sometimes they say, it's been suspended. We suspected you of spamming. We're not going to give you any additional information. That's a good one, isn't it? And they just kind of leave you for dead. So if you are stuck in that situation and you're unable to work it out yourself with Google support, that's basically the only way you can do it. There is a second way. The second way is to work with a partner. Now, we have access to the Google support desk as a partner, and we can go to them and say, hey, there's a customer that's got a domain, they've been suspended, and we need to get back into their account. Now, of course, they'll take you through all the standard protocols, or take us through all the standard protocols to verify that you're the owner of that account, meaning they're going to use your domain name, they're going to ask you to set up some DNS records on there to verify, they're going to ask who the administrator account was, all those things. But once somebody does that, and we can do that from our end, the thing they might be a little bit more lenient with us, because we're a partner, is if we're doing it on your behalf, well, they're more likely to move through a few more of their security protocols and make it easier. So if you're interested in that, you can go to the Quick Fix menu, and this is actually one of our most popular services. So head along to the Quick Fix menu, and you'll see it's probably up here in the popular ones. Here we go, suspended, disabled account recovery. If you open that service, you can check out online. As long as it's during business hours in Asia Pacific or the Americas, you'll be able to chat to our team immediately and get this resolved. Now, it's got to be on a business day, business hours, but our team are on live chat, ready to rock and roll and help you out. So send them a message on chat, and they'll be able to help get this fixed for you. It's 297 Australian dollary dues, which is very affordable for most businesses. There we go. Hope that one helps you. That's a pretty simple fix for us as a partner. I know it's challenging if you're an administrator or you're someone who's just stuck looking after the account. Do your best with Google support. If you get stuck, get in touch with itGenius and we'll be able to sort it out.